Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make soufflé pancakes. You just need only 5 ingredients. It's quite easy. My daughter gave me a really great feedback at the end of the video, so I edited this video based on her comment. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Separate the egg white and egg yolk. Put the egg white in the freezer to cool while you move on to the next step. In a bowl, place egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of milk, sift in 2 tablespoons of flour and 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder. Add a few drops of vanilla extract if preferred. Then mix very well. Place cold egg white in a big bowl. Add sugar little by little, beat with an electric mixer. Beat until stiff peaks form. Add 1/3 of meringue in the egg yolk mixture and blend well. Then add it into the rest of the meringue and cut through the batter to mix. To make thick pancakes, you don't want to mix the batter completely, but you want to leave the meringue lumps. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Pour in the batter. Add 3 teaspoons of water in the empty spots. Cover and cook on low until the water dries out and bottoms are cooked. Flip them over, add 3 teaspoons of water in the empty spots again. Cover and cook on low until done. Serve on a plate, dust with powdered sugar and garnish with whipped cream if you like. But my kids say it tastes better, not eggy, when the batter is mixed evenly. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
卵になるんだよ。じゃん。